now.
Cinnamon. I'm scared.
You should be. Okay, go.
Eat it all.
Let's see this.
All of it.
Go down, look, go down, go down, go down, go down. Get it down there, girl. Let's wait, let's see that way. Let's see that.
Did you give it cinnamon?
That just squirted everywhere. Okay.
Eat it all.
Just all get down there.
Sounds good.
It does. Get down there.
You can use saliva. I am.
No, you can't. You can't do that. You can't do that.
That's salivating. I don't think this is cinnamon.
It's cinnamon. It's ground cinnamon.
Yeah, it's ground cinnamon.
I still see it. It's all up in there. Stop that. That's so weird.
You shouldn't have done it in front of the sink.
I know.
That's so tempting. Let's let the water drain. So then that way we make sure that we get all that.
Stuff out of there. Get all of it.
Wait, Cindy, watch out, watch out.
She get all of it.
You wait, let's see. Open your mouth, open your mouth, open your mouth there.
You start right there.
Let me see,
My
open your mouth.
donut's been in water. Oh, my stomach.
You're good.
Okay.
You got it all out. Oh, you're gonna need to do another batch? Get it all down there, babe. Nothing's happened. Usually when people drink cinnamon, they start like coughing and going crazy.
Ding cough.
Oh my gosh.